Hello friends, today in this video I am going to achieve this skewed background with the help of CSS. As you can see this example, when I scroll down this web page, then there have been a skewed background with a beautiful color combination. So we are going to achieve this effect with the help of CSS. So before getting started, I want to share one thing that I have provided the source code of this tutorial in the description. Please check it out. So for this you have to come to your desktop. Here I have created a folder named skewed background. So on clicking on it, you can find two things. First one is the markup and second one is for styling our markup. So let's open with the code editor. Here in the index.html I have written all the basic syntax required to create the markup page. Here I have used a head tag. Inside the head tag I have given the title to my document, and inside the head tag I have also linked my CSS file. So in the CSS file I have written nothing, and coming back to the index.html, here in the body section create a section of class A, and inside this create a simple heading of S2, and then create a paragraph of lorem ipsum which is dummy paragraph. Then again, just after saving it, you have to copy it down twice and put the class A to B. So let's open with the code editor. As you can see what we have written. So in the style.css, in the body I have put in the margin 0, padding 0, so that all the text will be at the corner. Here the box sizing will be border box, font family will be sans serif, and the font size will be 20 pixels, so that it will be clearly visible from far away. So here I have put in the background with the hexadecimal color. So here it is the result, but the color of this text has been to be white so that it will be more visible. So then coming to the section part, here putting the width 100%, here putting the height 650 pixel, so that the effect will be more visible. So here putting the padding will be 150 pixel, not PC, then 100 pixel. So as you can see the preview, but there have been raised towards the left side. So create the box sizing will be border box, so that the content of our web page will be at the center. So coming to the section, here in this selecting class A means the first paragraph of this section. So in this the background is again the lighten. So here is the hexadecimal color I have used, and as you can see the preview. Then coming to the transform area, we want to skew this x coordinate and y coordinate. X means 0 degree and y means minus 10 degree. So as you can see the above, notice if we used one value of skew, then it will behave as rotate. So this is the important thing to remember in this type of tutorial. So here I put in the translate minus 80 pixels, so that it will be the above. So adjust this thing according to the dimension of your PC. Do not so copy. So here just adjust the value. I have written 120, then 130, then 140, then and so on. So this is the correct value. Copy and paste minus 160, here 160 pixel. I am missing it, then again pixel it. After saving, as you can see, my content is at the top. So here I am giving the padding so that the content will be at the center. Here I have given the padding, but I want more, so give 250 pixel. Here the content is at the align, so color will be dark, so that it will be more visible than the white color. So in the section of class A, selecting all the headings means one heading we have given, that is simple heading. So here the transform will be transform skew 0 degree. First we have skewed it minus 10 degrees, so we have to cancel out this effect. So I have put in the plus 10 degree. So you can adjust this thing according to your viewpoint, because some of you want small angle, some of you want bigger angle. So here I have put in the text align will be justify, so that the content will be at the justify, not so early, not so far. So in the font size I have given 50 pixel heading. So as we are going to style the second section of class B, so copy it down, put B, and here change the background, that is 0203F, and change this value to ADEFD11F. As you can see, this is not working D1. So this is the preview as you can see, but our content is still rotated. So copy it down and just change the class name or as B, and after saving it, as you can see the preview. So here is the desired product that we wanted to achieve in this video. So after coming back, I want to tell you one thing. Please subscribe this video, please subscribe this channel, because it take more effort to create such a content with the more abbreviation. So at last I want to share that you have to practice. Until you do not practice, this video have been waste for you. So you have to practice a lot about this thing, so that this will become the habit to make such kind of thing. And if you do find so any mistake in this video, then please comment it down, so that in the upcoming video I will be shorting out.